back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a straw set hairstyle on my hair. So the straw set is a really simple way to curl your natural hair. So the two things that I really used was the olive oil mousse and straws, but to make sure the straws were secure on my hair I used some rubber bands just to put over the straws, just to make sure it stays intact and stays tight, and you'll see the results after throughout this video. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and let's get right into this video. So I'm starting off by parting out a section of my hair and putting away the rest of the hair into a scrunchie. Okay, so the first thing is you want to make sure that your hair is wet. So I'm grabbing my spray bottle that has water and conditioner in it, and I'm wetting my hair fully, making sure it is fully wet. And what I'm going to do is to detangle my hair and put the products onto my hair. Now for the products, I use the olive oil mousse and I use plastic straws. And also to make sure that the hair was staying on the straws, I used some gel on the ends and a rubber band to put on the top. So as you can see, when I did the first one, it took me a few seconds to get it, but just get the whole vibe of like wrapping the hair on the straws. But I'm telling you guys that once you start doing it, it comes natural. It feels really easy and really simple to just do this hairstyle. Once I reached near to the end of the hair, I grabbed some gel and put on my hair and continued to wrap around the straw. Now, putting gel at the ends, make sure that the hair does not get trashy, so the hair will still look completely defined from top to bottom. And my first one came out really good and it was really intact. That was the first one. Now God knows how much to go. So I'm parting out another section and I'm doing the same process, detangling the hair, making sure that the hair is wet, and using the mousse and the gel and wrap my hair on the straws. You can see once I reached to the end, I grabbed some more Eco Styler gel and I just put on the hair and then finish wrapping it around the straw. And there we go. Okay. Oh yeah. See, it's on. Like, it's really on. You want to make sure that the hair is wet, guys. So grabbing my spray bottle again, and I'm going to spray my hair. After making sure the hair is wet, I sprayed about like 1 to 2 pumps of the mousse, and I put some Eco Styler gel on the hair as well, detangled. Okay, taking another straw, and I'm going to put the straw like this between my hair, leaving a little room so I can lock it with elastic, and then I just wrap the hair around the straw. You want to wrap it a little tight. Then I reach down to the ends. I'm going to grab some gel. Like this, and I'm making sure I put a lot of gel on the end so it can stay on the straw. And then what I do for this side, I go like this, and I'm going to grab an elastic band, grab elastic, and I'm just going to put it over. You wrap it around as much as you want, and there you go. Okay, so I finished half of my hair, and look at my knot. Let me show you guys the back. So now I'm gonna start on the front. Using my mousse. Make sure the hair is wet. Grab some gel. And what I do, I just take a straw, but I cut my straws in two. So take my straw, cut it in half, and then I put the hair right here. Then I grab some more gel and I put it on the ends of the hair just to make sure that the hair is wrapped around the straw, so you can see. Then I grab a rubber band and I'm going to attach it at the top. I'm not really doing a center part or like a side part. I just like want my hair like coming down in my face, like a cute bangs and all of that. Like I'm not really doing a parting. That's why you see I'm just like parting free-handedly. Okay guys, so I'm finished with the straw set, and all I'm going to do right now is to allow my hair to dry, fully dry, because that's the only way it's going to come out perfect. So I'm going to allow my hair to dry, and I'll come back to you guys and show you the end result. Time to take this out. It's completely dry, guys, so all I'm going to do is just spray some argan oil on my hair and just pull them out. I'm gonna take these out. So what I'm going to do is to just that was the first one. That was the first one. Look at it. Wow. It started off some straw. Okay guys, so it's all out and my hair looks beautiful. So all I'm going to do is to just separate the hair, but I just wanted to show you how defined it made my curls with just straws. Like, it doesn't get no better than that. Like, just straws and you can literally curl your hair. Okay, so I'm going to separate the hair then. Here now, so I'm just going to draw on the hair and just feel for the parts that wants to be separated, and that's about it. I'm being very careful. End result for my straw set, and I'm telling you, I am happy with the result. Like, my hair looks amazing, and it was really simple. It didn't take much to just take out the straws out of my hair. So if you want a simple way how to curl your hair, you can try this hairstyle out and it will look amazing. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video because I post every Friday. Bye guys.